In today's video, I'll teach you how to upgrade to VIP on NetShort. So first of all, launch open NetShort application. You can see over here NetShort application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to upgrade to VIP, it is actually very simple. At top right, you'll be able to find the option for VIP. Simply tap on it. Now you'll have to select the plan. You'll be able to see the weekly and annual plan over here. Tap on the plan that you would like to select and tap on this option subscribe now that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be able to subscribe to the plan. All you have to do is simply add the payment method. Tap on this option add credit or debit card that you can see on the screen. Now what you have to do is simply provide the card details, enter your card number, expiry date and security code. Also select the address. Now after the card is added, what you have to do is simply follow through the prompts and you'll be subscribed to this particular plan and your account will be upgraded to the VIP. So that is how you upgrade to VIP on NetShort. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.